Doing Netsuite inventory management is very easy. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, track inventory in different units. For example, boxes, pallets to ensure accurate stock levels. Then, manage serialized items or track inventory by lot for better control. Manage the physical location of your inventory within the warehouse with bin level tracking. Manage the purchasing process from creating purchase orders to receiving goods. Manually adjust inventory levels for various reasons. For example, shrinkage, damage, returns. Track internal movements of inventory between warehouses or locations. Automate inventory replenishment based on predefined rules and reorder points. Generate reports to understand the value of your on-hand inventory. Monitor current stock levels and identify potential stockouts. Track inventory movements for better analysis.